standy. And guess what? Guess what? You wanna know what I found? So, hanging out with boyfriend today. Yes, it's boyfriend. And all of his sexiness. Look at him. Okay, anyway, so this will be a short video, because I don't have much to say, but anyway, I'm hanging out with boyfriend, and I'm looking up on tattoo books, because I want my tattoo to mean something. Anyway, so favorite this video if you think people with tattoos aren't awful soul-eating beasts, and leave me a comment if you even watched it, because I deserve a comment for letting you watch my video. Yes. Conceited. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, so leave a comment. And do that soon. This will be a short video, like I said, so have an excellent day. Boyfriend, try again.
Can I say hi?